everyone, my name is Manisha Dubey and thanks for clicking. This is my weather part 3 video. Earlier we have discussed about weather. So let's learn. In my part 1 video we have discussed about sun and wind. In weather part 2 we have discussed snow and cloud. Today I am going to tell you about rain and fog. Talking about weather in terms of fog, you will use terms like dense fog, patchy fog, mist and haze. But first we need to understand what is fog. Fog होता क्या है? Fog means कोहरा, a weather condition in which small drops of water come together and form a thick cloud to the ground or sea, and that makes it difficult to see. कोहरे में क्या होता है? आप properly देख नहीं पाते, ठीक से देख नहीं पाते. That is fog. Now moving on to first example, and that is dense fog. Dense fog means when you can't see through. When fog is dense and heavy, that is dense fog या घना कोहरा, जिसको हम कहते हैं बहुत सारा कोहरा है, बहुत घना कोहरा है. That is dense fog. In dense fog there is no safe speed at which one can drive. Dense fog surrounded the mansion and the entire area, kind of a thing. Now moving on to next example, and that is patchy fog. Patchy fog means, patchy means only existing or happening in some parts, not everywhere. Patchy fog means ऐसा fog जो happening in कुछ जगह पर fog है, कुछ जगह पर नहीं है. That is patchy fog. The morning will start with some patchy fog. ऐसा fog जो कहीं पर है और कहीं पर नहीं है. That is patchy fog. Now moving on to next example. Mist means a thin fog produced by small drops of water in the air. धुंधला कोहरा जिसको हम बोलते हैं, that is mist. To understand it better, इसको अगर हमको अच्छे से understand करता है तो when you have shower in the bathroom and after having a shower you will see the mist on the mirror of the bathroom. बाथरूम के मिरर पे आपको कुछ धुंधला धुंधला दिखता है and you can't see properly in the mirror. That is mist. Mist means a thin layer of liquid on the surface of something. That is mist. Now moving on to next example, that is haze. Haze is like smoke, dust or mist in the air, and that makes it difficult to see. That is haze. The sun is surrounded by golden haze. Means जब mist भी है, cloud भी है, smoke भी है, that is haze. Talking about weather, in terms of rain, you will use terms like drizzling, lashing, pouring and downpour. Drizzling. Drizzling means to light rain. जब हल्की बूंदाबांदी होती है, that is drizzling. हल्की बारिश जिसको हम कहते हैं. She walked home in drizzling rain. It has been drizzling all the day. जब हल्की बारिश हो रही, that is drizzling. Now moving on to next example, that is lashing. Lashing means falling with great speed. कोई चीज़ गिर रही है और वो ऐसे गिर रही है like with great speed. उसका speed बहुत तेज है. If rain lashes something or someone, it hits them violently. अगर rain ऐसी गिर रही है कि वो means अगर lashing rain है तो वो ऐसे feel होती है like वो आपको क्या कर रही है, hit कर रही है. That is lashing rain. It feels like being lashed. The sound of rain lashing against the window. Yes, she walked in lashing rain. Pouring. Pouring means heavy rainfall for long period. Rainfall हो रहा है और वो बहुत लंबे टाइम के लिए से हो रहा है. That is pouring. Pouring rain. I was standing in the pouring rain. I was waiting for you in the pouring rain. Kind of a thing. Now moving on to next example, and that is downpour. A sudden, unexpected, heavy rainfall. That is downpour. ऐसी बारिश जो unexpected है, sudden है और बहुत heavy है. That is downpour. It is the heaviest downpour ever recorded. The sudden downpour of rain, kind of a thing. So देखा, this is my weather part 3 video. And I hope you like my video, and if you like my video, please like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.